Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Vanessa if you are new here, and today we're going to be cleaning up my house while my daughter sleeps. She's taking her little afternoon nap right now. We're going to pray that it's as long as possible. You never know with these kinds of things. Sometimes they can be like 3 hours long, other times 30 minutes is all you get. So we're going to try to maximize that time and try to get quite a few things done. I haven't really picked up around the house. It feels like all week, so I have kind of a lot to do, but we'll see how much we can get done in this stretch. Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are subscribed, you'll know that I did take a couple of months off. It's the first week of May as I'm filming this, and back in March, unfortunately my husband and I lost a pregnancy. We had a miscarriage at 10 weeks, which was just devastating. It was just incredibly difficult, and you know, some time has passed as I've accepted what has happened, and it still hurts, but needed some time to just process that. But I'm ready to be back in a routine, and YouTube has always brought me so much joy. And so anyway, I'm back and I'm excited to start filming again and uploading. So thank you guys for sticking around. If you're still subscribed, subscribe. If you're not, that would be great. I'd love to have you. But let's just go ahead and get started. We're gonna start in our bedroom. I actually just started, I took the sheets off, and then I was like, oh, I want to film this. I want to start, or you know, I want to film today because I knew I was going to try to clean up. So we'll start in the bedroom and then make our way out into the main living area. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video. Let's go ahead and get started, and yeah, let's go.
I don't wanna stay here, no. Ain't gonna keep it low now. If you wanna go, let's go. Let's wrap it up and hit the road. I just got an awesome vibe, striking the winner post now. Liberty's on my mind. We've taken off, we've left the ground. You gotta understand that we get one chance, one chance. You will never regret the things that we'll do. 'Cause I wanna drive through the summer night, and when we are old and gray, we'll look back at this summer night, this summer night, this summer night. Sleeping in the back of a van, roaming in the wilderness. We never need a plan. We'll be alright, just you and I. Singing from the top of our lungs, dancing by the lakeside. Gonna do it while we're young. In a moment it will all be gone. You gotta understand that we get one chance, one chance. You will never regret the things that we'll do. 'Cause
Okay. All right, unfortunately, nap time is cut short. She only slept for like 45 minutes. So I'm gonna have to continue this video later. I'll try to clean a little bit while we're awake and doing things, but that is kind of hard because the camera is gonna go flying. So I'll get back to this video later. It might be dark out when I'm finishing it, but I will see you guys in a little bit.
through the summer night, and when we are old and gray, we'll look back at this summer night, this summer night, this summer night, this summer night, this summer night. Someday we will
you and me will be alright.
all done. Got everything all tidied up. I'm gonna go watch some TV now, but just wanted to give you a quick shot of how everything looks. The dogs are so funny. They sit on this pillow that I've been wanting to get rid of. Rosie has a hairball. They have a dog bed over there, but they choose to sit over here in the corner. But just threw all of Ellie's toys in her toy chest. She loves these foam blocks right now, but it's like a pain in the neck. It takes forever to get them back into this little bag, and she throws them the second she wakes up. So whatever, they're just in a little pile waiting for her tomorrow to throw them around and have some fun. Got the kitchen cleaned up. I had an Easter banner that I still had to take down, so just took that down. Cleaned off our high chair. This gets so dirty. I love this high chair. This is the For Moms high chair. It's super easy to use. You just go like this, and it's magnetic on the sides. And then if you guys saw the little plastic tray that I took off, you can actually just throw that right into the dishwasher, and I throw it in there every night, and it's super easy. So that way after every meal you just take that off and just give the actual tray a good cleaning, you know, every so often. But yeah, I've got the kitchen all cleaned up. I need to share this with you guys in a future video. I got this at our local jeweler, but it's for cleaning my engagement ring. Oh my gosh, you guys, my engagement ring looks, I don't have it on right now, but I'll show you in a future video. My ring looks as good as the day that I got it, as the day that Steven proposed. With this thing, it's an ultrasonic cleaner. Obviously, you want to talk to your jeweler to make sure whatever stone you have is safe to use something like this, but oh my gosh, it's such a game changer. I love this thing. I just love it. But I got everything all cleaned, used the pink stuff on the stovetop and got that all nice and clean. And kitchen, I need to wash these, but I don't really feel like it, so I'll do that some other time. But that's about it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Make sure you subscribe if you like content like this, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.